I'd like to show you a new feature that we just launched today. If everyone would go to your My Account section of your proposal and then click right here on your proposal details. Everyone will have this within your My Account section. And right here you'll see that we launched certain categories and there's going to be more coming out. For instance, seal coating for residential people. This would be an area of disclaimers. So driveway chalk. What you can do is you can edit any of these you wish by clicking edit and adding any text you want here at all, keeping it the same way and making it default. So let me show you. I put enough items in here that qualifies what the customer should expect of you when you seal coat a property. So just to let you know, these are called categories. And you can see here at any point in time, you can add a category, anything you wish, and you can add it. And after adding the category, you could then add text to the category. And the way you do that will be, you'll click the Add Text button. Default means it's automatically checked off to be included in new proposals. So you have to pick which category it is, and we could say add any category and add your text. It's as simple as that. So you can see, even with my typos right here, it's going to be in this section. You can move these around within the edit proposal section, but at any point in time you could adjust these, you could delete them if you don't like what we gave you. And by all means, you could add anything you want with categories or with content. And we'll be updating this as we move along. Let me show you now how and where you would do this. When you do a new proposal, you're going to add a proposal to an existing account. And let's just pick this first one that I have. We'll call it Test Main Street. The difference you're going to notice on all of your edit pages, you go ahead and do your typical proposal in this area. And we'll say 200 square yards, 2 inches deep, and the price is $6,000. We'll put this in. As you scroll to the bottom, you're going to notice everything is in this order right here. You can move them in whichever order you wish for your company, what works out. But if I were going to add something, let's say seal coating, everything is checked is default. This one, as you see here I did for a test, is not checked. So to include everything in the proposal, go ahead and check this and it'll show up in the proposal. And then let's say, for instance, we don't want to put the rain feature in. We're set. Let's look at what it looks like within the proposal setting here. And you're going to notice now, I'll show you here in 1 second, the About Us page, the specifications, your contract copy. Now let me zoom in here and show you what the custom text looks like. So you have your header. Again, you can make this anything you wish. You're going to add anything you want to this, and it automatically will put them in. So this is just one of new features, and this is eventually how the proposal feature will be as well. So any questions or comments, please send us an email at contact@pavementlayers.com. But hopefully this is pretty self-explanatory to you. And by all means, give us a call or contact us with any issues. And again, let me show you one more time here. When you click on Edit Proposal, you can change the order of any of these. This is the one we did. If you notice, it's not default. So all you have to do is just open them and close them, and if you want to include them, just check it off. Simple as that. Hopefully this helps you out with talking to many of you. Custom text features, this is where you can put anything for contract terms or anything else you wish. Have a great day, and thank you very much.